going to show you how to use Basecamp. So Basecamp is a program that we use at Germono Advertising Company to format and lay out all of the planning that goes into the social media posts. It is not connected to Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn. It's just where we go to plan out all of the content and put all of the images and the video assets in. And then at that point, we can give our clients the access so that they can approve the content before it goes out on social media. So stand by, I'm gonna walk you through how that's done.
So here is the content calendar, and is where you would lay out all of the posts you drafted out and when you would want to post them out. So when you go and click on the name of the post, you can lay out the verbiage and the graphics you want to use, so then clients or other members of your team can approve it before you go and schedule or post it out.
So we hope that this helped you. This is actually something that we live, sweat, breathe, eat, and die for at this agency. If we did not have Basecamp, it would make things very complicated. The alternative to using something like Basecamp would be using a Google Drive, or you can use Asana, Trello. I've heard of third-party platforms like Later offering this type of a system. So whatever works best for you, definitely give this a try. We recommend it highly.